Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I have for you what might be the most important Polkadot video you ever watch. Okay, guys, we have been calling it on this channel the last few days, the last few weeks. We can't stop calling it right, and we're trying, but we just can't. Okay, we called Ethereum yesterday. We said we are gonna pump to 1,000. Pretty much did 970, whatever. I think 1,000 is a matter of time. Okay, we've been calling all these breakouts perfectly, and I'm here to say I see something incredibly interesting happening with Polkadot. I think if Polkadot can start to close above $10, close above, not just wick above, but close above on these lower time frames, I think Polkadot could absolutely explode. Okay, I've been seeing these ascending triangles everywhere throughout different charts with Bitcoin, Ethereum. Okay, and this is a super macro ascending triangle. We've already blown past all-time highs, and if we blow past this $10, this is a blow off top. I think Polkadot is flying. Now, before we get too excited here, let's do some technical analysis to try and figure out if we're likely to break out now, or kind of what's more probable of happening in the short term. So, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. So let's delve into this. Guys, we're getting decreasing volume, okay? MACD is flattening out. This is the 12-hour. Stochastic bearish crossover on its way down. RSI, yeah, RSI making lower highs and lower lows. Very much overbought. So, and we're near an apex. So, guys, technicals are important, okay? But we are near a very macro patterns apex. So, the technicals are kind of can be helpful to try and figure out what might happen, but ultimately, until we break up one way or the other, I think price action is king at this point. Okay, but based off the 12-hour, I think we're more likely than not to break down. Although let's do some further technical analysis here. Okay, 6 hours, same story. We're getting decreasing volume, sell volume. Look at that, very low volume, near an apex. Okay, times are extremely uncertain. People know what's going on here, and so the people don't want to like FOMO into this until they know whether we're breaking up or breaking down. Again, 6 hour MACD. Is this a bearish crossover? Not quite yet, but it seems like we really do want to break down. You know, histogram flattening out. This seems like it wants to go down. RSI making lower highs, although higher lows on the 6 hour as well. The stochastics on the 6 hour seems like it wants to go up. So we'll see here. We'll see. Please, I'll shut that off. Sorry about that, guys. Let's take a look at the 4 hour here. Okay, yeah, 4 hour bearish crossover, making sense. Although histogram's ticking up, stochastic moving up, RSI higher lows, although lower highs. So we'll have to see. We'll have to see how this plays out some more. Ooh, increasing buy volume in the short term. This is very interesting. Do some more TA. Decreasing volume, and then more near term. MACD's not telling me a whole lot. Stochastic, not telling me a whole lot. We could go down. We could go up a little bit more gas in this trunk, in this car here. RSI, yeah, in an uptrend. So, guys, ultimately, this TA, our indicators aren't telling me a whole lot at the moment. Okay. Bottom line is, this is at a super critical point, and we're likely to have a breakout within the next, I'd say, day and a half. I'd say the most likely time we have a breakout is within the next 24 hours. I think Polkadot is likely to make a big, giant move, perhaps one of Polkadot's biggest moves ever, within the next 24 hours. And if anything interesting happens with it, we will definitely be talking about it in our Discord group. Link to join that will be down in the description below. Okay, we called the Ethereum pump to nearly 1,000 perfectly. I said at $780, Ethereum's likely to go to 1,000. A day later, it went to 970. I think it's a matter of time before we go to 1,000. So, you know, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. Guys, keep in mind here as well, the hourly 100 EMA and 50 EMA are acting as critical support. If we start to break below those and close below those, that is no bueno. That is bad news bears. We're likely to see bearish continuation. Look at the 15. Okay, I'm trying to see if I can find an EMA that hugs this green line perfectly. Yeah, okay. kind of the 200 EMA on the 30. Let's go to 45. Okay. See, so I think the 100 EMA on the 45 minute is probably the most important EMA to look at, because it hugs this green line the best, and so this is the most valid pattern in my opinion. Again, I could draw the top of this ascending triangle like here, but you know, the $10 is obviously a psychological resistance, so I'm drawing it there. If we can start to like close above, you know, if we get a few candles on the 15 half hour or something closing above the 10, like the way Ethereum did, then whew, guys, like let's take a look here. Okay, before we take a look at Ethereum, to show you what I'm talking about, another thing important to keep an eye out for is Bitcoin dominance. Okay, I've been saying for a while on this channel how the low 70s is going to act as resistance for Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance being the total value of Bitcoin in comparison to the total value of crypto, of all of crypto, and it has acted as resistance. We tried to shoot up to the 74. We didn't. We shot down. Which whenever Bitcoin dominance, look at that. Ooh, look at that. Whenever Bitcoin dominance shoots down, you know, that allows the altcoins such as Polkadot to pump. So, okay, we're finding support on the 200 EMA, on the hourly for Bitcoin dominance. If that doesn't hold when we fall further, guys, you know, alts could benefit. They could benefit for sure. So, before we wrap up here, let's take a look at ETH, okay? Because we're making very, very similar patterns. So, see, we had our ascending triangle here, okay? We broke out, kind of fell down and retested here. Okay, ascending triangle here, broke out, kind of fell to retest it. So Polkadot, I imagine, could do something similar where we, let's assume we do break out. We break out, likely fall back down, retest the breakout point, and then go for another leg up. And guys, you know, we could break down for sure. There's no guarantee that we're going to break up. We could definitely break down. Again, the 45-minute 100 EMA is perhaps the most significant, most relevant EMA for the moment. And again, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit that bell icon to be notified of new uploads. We'll be doing cryptocurrency news and analysis all throughout this bull run. I'm trying to get good at saying that fast. All right, y'all. Take care.